Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, we all want to achieve something, right? Some of we may have a clear defined goal, or some of you we may not have a clear defined goal. And the people who clearly define a goal, they should have the potential to achieve those goals, right? So let us understand what is potential. Potential we can define in such a way that it is the ability to do or ability to achieve our desire, right? That's what the potential, right? So it depends on two parameters. One, we call it as a skill. Another one, it is we call it as a passion, right? So we should have enough skill and we should have enough passion to achieve our goal. So right, that's what we call it as a we have a potential to achieve that, right? So I'll tell you a couple of examples so that it will be more clear for you. Like I know two doctors. They both got postgraduated. They got they got their MD, master and doctorate degree together, and from the same college, and almost similar marks they scored. And one became so successful doctor, and he could give a better treatment to his patients and became so famous in our area, right? At the same time, the other person didn't become so good. So what had happened here? Here, the person who became successful, he had a skill because he learned MD, he got doctorate, and he had a great level of passion, right? And the other person, even though he had a skill, he learned the skill, he was not having the great passion towards the profession, right? So he was not able to succeed in his profession. And the same way, I wanted to tell you, I have one friend who wanted to become a great film actor. Even I know him very long back, and during college days, he used to act a lot. He used to go to the film shooting places. He used to meet a lot of film directors and actors, and he had a great passion towards becoming a great film actor. But the problem, his dad was a great successful businessman, and his dad wanted him to become a part of his business. So he forced this guy to come into the business, and he gave him a lot of business opportunities. Unfortunately, he became a failure in his life because he was not having the right skill to develop the business, and he was not having the passion in his life, right? Another very good example I read was of a gatekeeper, a watchman at a district collector bungalow. He was working as a gatekeeper at one of district collector bungalow, and he used to see how a district collector comes, how he behaves, and how people respect the district collector, how powerful is a district collector. And he used to have a great desire and passion to become a great district collector. And finally, when he was working as a gatekeeper, he started studying and he worked for that. And finally, he achieved and he became a district collector. Right? This was a real story. It was a real story of a person. Right? So here, what happened? Even though he was not having the right skill, he was having a great passion. Right? So since he was having a great passion, he acquired that skill and he achieved his goal. Right? So friends, what I really want to say you is, there are four quadrants of potential. So we understood what is potential. It's a skill plus our passion, right? So there are four quadrants of potential. One, we call it as the skill plus passion. Yes, there is enough skill and there is enough passion. Definitely that guy has a passion, that guy has a potential, and he will definitely going to achieve his goal, right? And another one, he was having a skill, but he was not having the passion. So if you have a skill and if you don't have a passion, then you are not going to achieve anything, right? So you should have enough passion also along with your skill. And the third one, there was no passion, there was no skill, right? So that's a third quadrant of our potential, so that you are not going to achieve anything in your life. If you don't have enough skill and if you don't have a passion, then you are not going to achieve anything in the life. And the fourth one, there was enough passion, but not enough skill. But there is a chance you can achieve that, because everything is a learnable skill. Anything in the world, you take anything in the world, everything is a learnable skill. If you want to become a singer, if you are not a good singer also, you can go and learn how to sing, right? Maybe you will not be able to sing like how a great successful professional singer sings, but still you will be able to maintain a good quality or good level of singing, and you also can become a good singer, right? So friends, really what I want to really say is, you should have a clear passion towards your goal, and you should acquire enough skill to achieve that, right? So friends, that's all for today, and let us meet in my next video. And before winding up, I want to invite you all to my master classes. So I have scheduled some master classes coming weeks. The link to register for the master class is there in the description, so click on the link and register for the master class. Let us meet at the master class. So thank you very much. And before winding up, I have one more request as usual. If you're not watching first time my video, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe the channel, and click on the like button. Comment in the comment box what is your opinion about this subject, and share this video with your friends and families. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.